Here's another view. If you stand on this side, you can see all the way to the end of the entire amenity space, and you can appreciate how spacious it is. Okay. Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a modern and industrial brand new duplex townhome for sale located here in Kapitolyo, Pasig City. So this is a great newly built development and we're gonna talk about first the measurements. Each unit has a lot area of 145 square meters and a total floor area of 400 square meters. So right now, both units are available. You even have the option right now of getting both if you'd like. But just one is already a fantastic property. Now let's begin by taking a look at the facade. You see that it has a striking look and also quite clean and minimalist. Let's head on in. So you have your pedestrian gate over here, leading to a completely covered carport area. Now in terms of the size, you can easily fit 2 vehicles here, even one large van, and an additional vehicle here. In terms of the space in front of the house, you have ample space for an additional car that you can park out in front if you'd like. So even if you have 3 vehicles, this is a great property. And on this side, you have additional storage underneath the stairs and you have a staff bathroom over here. Let's head on up. So these stairs lead up towards the main entry. Welcome. So this is a nice, elegant area. Before entering the home, you have a wooden design over here and an oversized window. And I like how large the main door is and the natural wood grain that you see right here. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Now, in terms of this property, it has 3 bedrooms, but convertible into 4, and you'll see why later. Now, this is the main living space. In terms of the direction, this property is dominantly facing south. So in terms of direct sunlight, you don't have it that much because the sunrise is on this side and then sunset is on this side. But you have plenty of light and ventilation. Ceiling height is also very good for a property that's 4 levels. And you have that large format tile but with the industrial feel in terms of the texture of the tiles. And I'm liking also that it's not slippery at all. Now from your main living area, you have very clearly defined your dining and kitchen space. Now in terms of the dining space, you see you can comfortably fit a table here for 8 people. You also have nice cove lighting. And I like the color temperature. Very nice for intimate dinners and get-togethers. And the large window that you see right here, upon entering the home, gives you all that natural light for your dining space. Now on this side, you have an additional storage area right here. And then on this side, you have a powder room for guests. So that's a good way to maximize the space because this whole area is underneath the stairs. And over here you have your open kitchen. I'm liking how well spaced it is. You have a peninsula countertop over here, and the entire countertop space is U-shaped. Very easy to navigate, quite spacious. You already have your provision here for your range hood, and this is where you can have your cooktop. It's already cut, but of course, this can still be customized depending on the size of the oven that you'd like or cooktop. And then you once again have a large window here to give you lots of light and ventilation. There are provisions here for lighting. And what I like about this is, this gives you a lot of interior design options. So you can have different types of light fixtures here and different types of lighting schemes. Now, in terms of the spacing, I like that they have an additional space on this side and quite a sizable area for your refrigerator. And then on this side, this can be maximized as an additional storage area, or you can put some other cabinets here for pantry storage. So this is a nice design idea because once you have guests who are in your dining area, you want to have the main refrigerator hidden away because sometimes the design makes the refrigerator such a forefront, and sometimes it can be an eyesore, especially if you have like a lot of fridge magnets and personal things stuck to the ref. So that's just a nice aesthetic. Now on this side, this is another great feature of this house. You have a well-planned and spacious laundry area. So once again, in terms of aesthetic, this is where you can have your clothes hung and they can be hidden away, especially from guests. There's a proper area to hang and dry clothes and a proper heavy wash area. And there's access here towards your steel tank. Okay? So I like how well planned it is. And then on this side, as a space saver, you have this sliding door leading to your staff room. So this is room enough for a bed, and there's also another bathroom here. Okay, so heading back out here. Here's another view. If you stand on this side, you can see all the way to the end of the entire amenity space, and you can appreciate how spacious it is. Okay? And I'm liking the wooden design that they have here, which is a good contrast to the industrial feel of the flooring. And on an additional note, you also have this as your hidden electrical circuit board. So that's a cool way to hide it away. Let's head on up. Now that we're here at the third level, I've noticed that the aesthetic of white brown, wooden tones, and gray and black colors are consistent throughout the different levels of the house. Let's take a look here at the first bedroom. Okay, so what I'm liking is there's immediately an area for storage. So you have your built-in cabinetry here. And on the other side, lots of space. You have a provision already for a window-type air conditioning unit. And I'm liking the color of the flooring. Feels very elegant. It's a wooden design, but once again, the gray color complements the house's aesthetic. And then there's a light provision here, depending on what interior design preference you have. And I like the oversized window here, which gives you all that natural light. From here, you can have a view of your laundry area. Now let's take a look at the ensuite bathroom here. Oh, nice. I'm liking the choice of tiles. This is more of a cream, brown, and earthy tone, but very light as well. They chose a different textured tile for this, and this is a unique design. And you also have plenty of ventilation here. Even you also have a screen, recessed area for toiletries, tempered glass enclosure. On top of the window, you also have an exhaust fan here. Okay. And the sink that they used is Colo brand. Okay. And now let's take a look at the second room, which is the master bedroom. So the primary bedroom has similar dimensions to the living space down below. So what I'm liking is, of course, you have that added elevation being on the third level, and you have an unobstructed view because the house in front is just a bungalow. So lots of space in terms of how you'd like to arrange your furniture. There's a provision here already for a window type air conditioning unit. And I want to point out something. You'll notice how thick the walls are from here. That means that it's well built and makapal yung palitada, meaning the additional cement that they placed here. And here you have a dual vanity sink space, once again color branded, floor to ceiling tiles, and then you have your bath area with a seat. And I'm liking how large the window is, so that means it's so well lit. And you have your water closet here again. And I'm liking that they were able to include indirect lighting here, and even this ledge, which is important because if you want to put like an interior design feature here, just to spruce up your master bathroom. Now, in terms of storage, this is well designed in terms of the space. Lots of storage all around. And I'm liking how the storage areas and the walk-in closet spaces are really separated from the main area where you can have your bed, study table, and television set. Okay? And now let's head on up towards the fourth level. Let's go. And the fourth level is really a treat because of the high ceiling and unique design. So the fourth level is made up of two sections. You have an entertainment space right here, and then you have a bedroom, which is the third bedroom on this side. Let's take a look at this first. So the layout is nearly identical as the first bedroom downstairs. You once again have storage right here. And then you have ample space here. I like that they were able to have a regular shaped space for your bed. And this is where you can have your television set, and once again, a large window here. And it has an ensuite bathroom again, identical to the first bedroom's bathroom. I mentioned before that this townhome can be a 3 to 4 bedroom house. That's because if you need 4 rooms, you can easily put a door here, cover this up, and convert this into a 4th bedroom if you'd like. But if not, this is already excellent as an additional amenity space. And check out the ceiling height with the wooden design, the indirect lighting, and I'm liking that they didn't completely close this off like as a blank wall, because it gives you much more space in terms of the feel and also ventilation. So this can be a great movie space, entertainment area, or even a play area, or even a study area also. And it has its own bath space. Now check this out. This has a different design because if you want to maximize this space as an area for guests, it's also very pleasant. Okay, here's another look. I can imagine having like a large sofa here and having a widescreen TV on the other side and having late night movie marathons with your family and friends. But on top of all of that, this space has a spacious balcony area. Let's go. And I also want to point out, before we head on out, that the aluminum sliding doors are quite sturdy for what they used. Now let's check out this balcony area. I'm loving the fact that it has an outlet here, so you can plug in your laptop or even like a small speaker and make this a nice chill out space or study area or even a work area because it's completely covered. I'm liking also that it already has drainage and how sturdy the railings are and the height as well. So this is a very safe height, and this is also excellent for having like a table for family get-togethers and for friends to get together, and a great extension of your entertainment space. And I'm liking how unobstructed the view is. Of course, we can't completely show it for the privacy of the space, but you really appreciate it once you take a look at the property in person. Okay, so that wraps up our quick tour. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. If you want to have your property featured in our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.